Thank you very much. First of all, it's a real pleasure to be here. Digitalization is a new reality, and we have a new landscape where a lot of new players are coming into the picture. And interestingly enough, you see that all these players are coming from a different starting point. You have the makers, you have the weather providers, you have the digital companies. So they're all trying to populate a new space and to provide value. In our case, obviously being a maker of a very important asset of the vessel and being a leader, a market leader in the creation of this asset, we want to focus our digital offering in the data that is produced by this asset and by the other assets, the neighboring, if you will, assets of the vessel. So we have the turbocharger, we have the main engine, and we're trying to build models in a specific platform that will provide value to our customers. Now, the next step after this is to start looking into adjacent areas. We talked a lot today about the operational side, and this is something that we are offering a lot of solutions to our customers as well. The overall idea is to provide a platform for operational intelligence. And this platform will address different needs within the shipping company and provide value to our customers. Yeah, well, that's also a very interesting point. I mean, digitalization has been on the table for quite some time, but now we have decarbonization coming in terms of the regulations. And quite frankly, I see digitalization being the means to an end. How will you achieve a greener asset? By digitalizing it. So the one will bring the other, I think, and this is becoming more and more apparent. The new technologies are becoming available, and these new technologies lead to a greener asset. Now, obviously, this is also going to be linked on the financial side of things, because there will be incentives, financial incentives, chartering incentives, and this will have a background in the digital footprint of the vessel. So I think the two are already quite linked to each other, and they continue to be like that even more so in the future. Yeah, no, I mean, honestly, it was really good. It was really good. Usually these types of conferences have a little bit more generic presentations. I found the presentations that we did, especially yesterday, and some of today's presentations, very to the point and backed by real cases, data. We had shipping companies providing insights. We had makers giving insights. So I think it was a good blend, and overall, I'm pretty impressed by our first time here. So yeah, it's really good.